Hey, my name's Juan, and I just want to give a quick shout out to Andrew and his course, Group Growth Monetization Blueprint. And that's kind of a tongue twister, isn't it? So I apologize for that. But the thing that really made it really work for me was the whole personal branding piece. And I had an idea of how the whole thing worked, but not really a firm grip on it. And the thing that really held me back the most before I started trying to work on building a personal brand and building my own digital products and things of that nature was just not really having a good understanding about building my tribe and building my following, and not really having a real good grip and my head wrapped around you don't have to be for everybody. Developing your own brand involves being yourself and just doing that. But the long story short is, after going through Andrew's course and just kind of getting everything set up within the matter of I think it was 3 weeks. I made my first sale of a little digital product that I made. So I made basically a tripwire funnel, gave away something for free, had an upsell $7 or $17, whatever it was, and then another upsell. And I remember, the morning I woke up, and my wife was like, "Hey, you made a sale with your product or something." And I was just like, "What?" I had to run and look at my Stripe account, and it was like, holy crap, somebody who doesn't know me came and bought something from me. So yeah, within the matter of a few weeks after enrolling into the course, I made a sale of digital product that I made from somebody who never knew me, and basically came in from what I could figure out, what I could see. Came in through my profile funnel, ended up on my website, and basically bought a product from me. So that was awesome, and may not be a huge deal, but for me it was, because I just never thought that I could do something like that. So with that said, again, I just want to give a quick, really big shout out to Andrew, because he's the man. He really is. He's very genuine and authentic in everything that he does. And he's somebody who I stand behind and believe in. So thank you so much, Andrew. I hope you keep on crushing it, man.